Hypotheses form the backbone of any research endeavor, providing a framework for inquiry within the humanities. A hypothesis is a proposed explanation or assumption that can be tested through investigation and analysis. In the humanities, hypotheses guide scholars as they explore the complex relationships between culture, society, history, and human behavior, ultimately enriching our understanding of the human experience. There are several types of hypotheses prevalent in humanities research. Descriptive hypotheses seek to outline the characteristics of a particular phenomenon, aiming to provide an accurate depiction of social, cultural, or historical contexts. For instance, a researcher might hypothesize about the societal influences on a specific artistic movement, analyzing how these factors shaped its development and impact. Another category is explanatory hypotheses, which delve deeper into cause and effect relationships. These hypotheses often tackle issues such as the motivations behind historical events or cultural shifts, linking specific influences to resulting transformations. A typical example is investigating how political turmoil led to the emergence of new literary themes in a given era, revealing essential connections between external events and artistic expression. Predictive hypotheses attempt to foresee future trends or behaviors based on established patterns. These hypotheses are particularly valuable in understanding societal evolution, reflecting on how current cultural dynamics might shape future narratives. For instance, researchers may predict shifts in artistic expressions due to technological advancements or globalization, drawing parallels between historic contexts and contemporary manifestations. In addition to these foundational types, alternative and null hypotheses play crucial roles in humanities research. Alternative hypotheses challenge existing narratives and propose new frameworks for interpretation, while null hypotheses assert that there is no significant relationship between variables. Together, they foster critical engagement and allow scholars to explore multiple dimensions of meaning within their studies. In conclusion, hypotheses are essential tools in humanities research that enable scholars to navigate the intricate tapestry of human existence. By employing descriptive, explanatory, predictive, alternative, and null hypotheses, researchers can shed light on the multifaceted interactions shaping culture, history, and social dynamics. Such inquiry not only deepens our knowledge, but also fuels ongoing discussions about humanity's past, present, and future. Through rigorous examination and thoughtful hypothesis development, the humanities continue to unveil the richness and complexity of our shared human story.